And in the in-between, you stay consistent.
At ●𝐾l𝐪₩, enjoying some wine. This particular wine is the bubbly blood orange pineapple, and it's kind of like a sangria. It's very interesting. Happy Mother's Day. You can see all of the wine selection. This is one of my favorite places to be for the holidays. So this is Mother's Day, so I'm here and I'm very grateful. Thank you, Jesus. Hey, this is ●𝞪𝑑𝝲. I'm at ●𝐾l𝐪₩ for Mother's Day, enjoying myself, having me a few tasters. ●𝐾l𝐪₩ is a good place for tasters, so that probably might be one of the things you might want to think about doing in the future. Have you a few tasters at ●𝐾l𝐪₩, because it's delicious. As you can see, we're guzzling down bread at this point at the ●𝐾l𝐪₩ location in Oak Park. You know, and I don't really eat a whole lot of bread, but I do like ●𝐾l𝐪₩'s bread. So when you go to ●𝐾l𝐪₩, have you some of that bread. And so you may not be into this, but I'm into goat cheese. So this dish here, well, this is the appetizer, and the appetizer is roasted vegetables and goat cheese flatbread, and it was really good. I really liked it, enjoyed it, delicious tasting. You gotta come out to ●𝐾l𝐪₩ and have your little something. And it's Mother's Day, and I'm having a fantastic time. So I'm at ●𝐾l𝐪₩ eating my favorite meal, right? So that's always salmon, because I'm a salmon person. I love me some salmon. And they have a ginger salmon with coleslaw. So it is a coleslaw on it. And it has mashed potatoes. And it's a really good dish. My partner in crime has some chicken with potatoes, as well as she had some asparagus. She shared it with me. It was good, and it was delicious. So just so that you can see that they have some fired up food here at ●𝐾l𝐪₩. So you need to come out here and get you something to eat. Joan know what I'm talking about. And I had to take a video of this beautiful floral arrangement. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, isn't that lovely? I'm loving it. This is ●𝞪𝑑𝝲, your divine plant diva. Enjoying myself at ●𝐾l𝐪₩ in the evening. Isn't it lovely? Look at this arrangement. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, wow. Look at those flowers. Yes. You know, a lot of the time, floral arrangement depend on who's setting it up. And somebody set it up beautifully. So I'm ending my night at ●𝐾l𝐪₩, just so that you'll know that we had a lovely time here and I enjoyed my whole self. As you can see, it's always beautiful winery and everything here. And as you saw my beautiful floral arrangement, that actually the building sets that floral arrangement up. But so that you'll know that if you come to the one in Oak Park, you're going to have a really lovely time and you're going to enjoy yourself, and you get an opportunity to see some things that are really lovely. So you take care. This is ●𝞪𝑑𝝲. I'm your divine plant diva. I'm out.